Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a video on a clarifying shampoo. Today you're going to see me apply the shampoo as well as the results. This is the Dr. Organic Bioactive Haircare. This is the activated charcoal purifying shampoo, and you're going to see me, as I said, apply it as well as the results. But before we get into this tutorial, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Lately I've been co-washing my hair, and it's always good to give it a really good cleanse and really clarify your hair. A lot of people use apple cider vinegar. I do as well. But when I was in Dischem, I saw this Dr. Organics and I said, okay, let me try out this clarifying shampoo. And this promises to clarify as well as refresh. This also is formulated using organically certified and natural extracts, and in the video you can see me using the shampoo. It's so lightweight. The color is like a mix of like black and clear together, and I thought charcoal, that was very nice, very soft on your hair. It does foam up. It gives a really nice cleanse. I was so impressed with it. I had zero expectations, and that's why when something is nice, I'm like, wow, this is nice. It gave a good cleanse. You don't need to use a lot of product. It just foams up and lifts the dirt really nicely. At the back it tells us that activated charcoal is a unique natural ingredient that deeply cleanses and removes impurities and oils from the hair as well as the scalp. The unique properties of charcoal are combined with a proprietary blend of organic oils and fruit extracts to create a deeply purifying shampoo which helps to leave the hair and scalp feeling revitalized as well as refreshed. Now in the description box I'm going to put a list of everything that this product is free from. I'll tell you some of them. It is free from parabens, free from mineral oil, free from silicones, free from synthetic colors, and as I said, I'm going to put it in the description box. The results. This is a clarifying shampoo. So after I rinsed it out, my hair did feel just a tad bit stripped, but I honestly did expect it. My hair wasn't brittle, it wasn't overly dry, but my hair felt really clarified. A little bit more than when I used apple cider vinegar, but it did a good job. My hair wasn't too frizzy, my hair is generally healthy. So for me, if I just want to have like a really good clarifying shampoo, I will use this. Not something to use every single week. Absolutely not. It will dry out your hair, even though it contains no sulfates and silicones. This is a clarifying shampoo. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried out this Dr. Organics. I probably will try some of the other stuff as well. It did a good job clarifying my hair. Hope you enjoyed it. If you were curious about it, I hope this video helped you. Drop your comments down below as usual. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media, and I'll see you again. Take care.